Alright you guys, welcome back to the video. This is part 3 of my firework tours, and this is going to be the lighting area. So yeah guys, we're at the lighting area. This is the kids zone. No one's really recorded this ever, because I looked up videos for this and there's like no videos for this. So it's across from like all the stands. You have to go to this like empty parking lot where they like put all the wholesale stuff for like the stands and people, I guess. I'm not sure they sell it publicly, but yeah guys, this is like the safe and sane area. So this is where you can like light off only ground stuff, like little poppers and stuff. So yeah, basically, you know, party poppers, sparklers, fountains, balloons. Balloons might not sound like fireworks, but they're pretty loud for their size, trust me. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. All right, do not try this at home. This is only for entertainment purposes only and educational purposes. Do never ever light a white fuse firecracker, because they are quick fuse and they go really fast when you light them, and I'll demonstrate right now. So, and this pile of firecrackers, we're gonna go ahead and light up this firecracker that is found on the floor. Let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. That's not gonna work. Sometimes it fails, so yeah, well, I'm not gonna risk that. Alright you guys, got a big balloon right here. Let's just let it go and see what happens. Might just, oh, okay. Well, luckily you can litter here. So. Wow. Nice. Alright you guys, got a big green metallic balloon. These ones are really tight for their size, or really big, loud for their size. So let's go ahead and do it. 3, 2, 1. Goodness, that's a lot of confetti. Alright, got a balloon filled with like St. Patrick's Day confetti. Here we go. Nice. Alright, got heart-shaped confetti balloon. Here we go. Nice. Alright, got another balloon. Here we go. Nice. Alright, got a star confetti balloon. Here we go. Nice. Alright guys, got a tie-dye balloon. Here we go. I might have a hard time popping. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, got some sparklers and it's pretty cool. Alright guys, before we move into the bigger stuff, we're gonna go ahead and do the poppets. Now, I know these are pretty boring, but they can be entertaining at times. You gotta give the small stuff some, like, you know, some love and stuff. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it with the poppets. Alright, let's just step on the poppets. And yeah, that's pretty much all of them. Alright guys, we're just gonna let the balloon go. I asked somebody if I could just let it go, fly around wherever it wants, and they said sure, because they don't care. They pick up the mess anyways. Nice. Alright guys, we just got done with these little ones. Let's go ahead and head to the bigger lighting area and light off the bigger stuff. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the fireworks. And here we are with all the fireworks. I can't believe it. Look at all this fireworks stuff that's going off. Alright, let's go ahead and light the whistling moon traveler, guys. This is made in China, of course, like everything. Here we go. It's gonna be epic. And that explosion was not from the bottle rocket. it didn't fly up. So I gotta like use a tube to light them up. Here, we'll take out the zombie minion tube right now. There we are. We don't need to read this. We already know how they work. These are the zombie minion tubes or things. They're louder than that. They're louder than that. Trust. We'll protect these from the sun just in case if they light up. Yeah, you gotta be careful with fireworks, guys. So we got the zombie minion tube, fresh tube. Let's go ahead and get the tube deep in the ground. Let's go ahead and light some fireworks. All right, here we go, guys. It's gonna be epic. Oh, that was a dud. All right, let's do another bottle rocket. Nice. Let's do the rest all at once. All right, you guys, we got 5 bottle rockets. Nice. All right, guys, let's do the non-whistling bottle rockets. These ones should just go up in the air and just make a bang. So let's go ahead and give these a try. All right, you guys, you got the Moon Traveler. All right, let's try another one. That one was a dud. One high up. All right, guys, so we'll do all the rest at once. All right, guys, we got all these bottle rockets. Nice. Alright, you guys, let's move on to the little firecrackers. Right here, got these Cracker Power 100 piece by Monkey Mania. Let's go and give it a try. Smoke got in my mouth. So let's go ahead and do the firecrackers. Let's move a couple out. Alright, here we go. Let's go find a place to light. Let's go over here. Yep. That made my ears ring. Alright, I'll get back for the next one. Nice. Look at that fountain over there. Alright, the next. Where are the firecrackers? Over there. Here, I'm gonna show you a cool trick that you can do with firecrackers. So here's a cool trick you can do with firecrackers. If you find these things in the muckleshoot place and just light them, they launch in the air. Watch this. Nope, I didn't do it that time, but like not as high as before. The previous times I've done it, but yeah, it's not always gonna work. Nice. All right, you guys, let's move on to the bigger stuff. Let's move on to the pebbles. And I'm excited for the pebbles because I am just, like, I've never done these ones. I know these have like salute in it. I don't know why I got 5-piece in it, but it's fine. Whatever. It's better than nothing. Look at that, guys. Shooting a, what is it called? Minigun? I think that's what it's called. All right, let's shoot off pebbles. Pebbles. Alright guys, let's do one more of the pebbles. I'm gonna save the rest for 4th of July or Boom City. So yeah, let's go ahead and do one more pebbles. Pebbles. Alright, next guys, we got the, I think this is a 200 strip firecrackers. Let's go and do it. 200 strip firecrackers. Alright, here we go. Nice. Right, next guys, we got the bigger stuff. Probably the moment you've been waiting for. The 200-gram cakes. Here we go. All right. Got a Pyro King cake. Here we go. Oh, shoot. I think that tipped over. I don't think I caught that on camera, but it did tip over, guys. And then it just shot back up. Wow. That's why you put rocks around fireworks cakes like these size. It's because that happens. It tips over, guys. So make sure you do that whenever you're lighting 200-gram cakes. Like at least small ones. The big ones should be fine. Daffodil. Alright, next guys, zombie minion. We're gonna be only doing 3 of these. Alright, let's get the zombie minion. Zombie minion. Minion. Zombie minion. guys, we'll do 3 pebbles. Here we go. 3 pebbles. Oh, couldn't get it. Do the other 2. Got the other 2. Alright, got our last and final firework. Got Pyroland rocket, strobe rocket. Here you go, you guys. Pyroland strobe rocket. Pyroland strobe rocket. So he explodes the fuse. I like these rockets. I've never tried them before. I've only seen demos of it. It's got a white fuse. Here we go. Get back for this one. Alright, you guys, I forgot to say, but yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. That is the last video of the muckleshoot tours, and then we're going to be going to Boom City, and then we're going to be going to a different place, which is the Lummy Reservation. And then there's another video coming out of like the Anacortes fireworks stands, and yeah, stay tuned. I got more videos coming up for y'all, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.